Yeah, our topic is capacitance and the parallel plate capacitor. Yeah, the symbol of capacitor is two lines. Yeah, like this one, two lines and parallel lines. Yeah, and same length. Yeah. Capacitance they have definition as capacitance is charge stored per volt is measured in farad. They have uh, they have unit in farad. Capacitance, yeah, this is something charge over volt, yeah, uh, and the unit of capacitance is farad. This one, yeah, farad. This one. We have formula C, yeah, C means capacitance in capacitor, and Q is charge, and V is voltage, yeah, and capacitor is like charge up charge bank, yeah, charge bank, yeah. They can apa namanya, save some charge, ya, save some charge, ya. This capacitor, the function of capacitor is bank of charge. So when you see two plate parallels, they have also electric field, yeah. Not this one, like this one, yeah. This is, yeah, like this one. This is actually capacitor, yeah. They have two plates, yeah, yeah. On the up is positive charge, and on the below they have negative charge, yeah. So electric field, yeah, uh, go from positive charge and into negative charge, yeah, because on the positive charge they have spread out, yeah, spread out like this one, yeah. On the Q, positive Q is they have spread out, yeah, and then on the negative they have coming to their charge, yeah. So when we have two plates with positive and negative, so on the positive is go from them, yeah, and on the negative is into them, yeah. This one, this is actually capacitor, yeah, this is actually capacitor, because the capacitor is consists of two plates, yeah, both positive and negative, and the function of capacitor is charge bank, yeah, charge bank. Okay, then the symbol is two lines, yeah, parallel, two lines parallel. Sorry, I go to here. Which one, yeah? Sorry. This one, yeah. Capacitors and capacitance. Capacitor is the object, yeah. This, yeah. A parallel plate capacitor is device that consists of two oppositely charged conducting plates separated by a small distance with stored charge, yeah. When the voltage is applied to the capacitor, electric charge is equal magnitude, but opposite polarity, yeah, built up and each plate, yeah, built up on each plate. Yeah, this is the capacitor connected into E, yeah, source energy, and connected into R, resistor. Okay. Okay, now capacitor measure in farad. Since capacitor defines C equals to Q over V, the unit are in the terms of charge potential difference. Yeah, the unit of charge in the column, yes. The unit of the potential difference is volt. 1 farad, yeah, is therefore the capacitance if 1 coulomb of charge was stored on the capacitor for every volt applied. It means 1 farad equals to 1 coulomb over 1 volt. Yeah, one coulomb over 1 volt equals to 1 farad. Yeah. Okay, 1 coulomb of charge is very large amount charge. Yeah, yes, correct. So for the small amount voltage supplied is 1 farad, capacitor can store enormous amount of charge. Yeah. Therefore, capacitors are often denoted in terms microfarad. So actually 1 farad is so big, yeah, big of the capacitance. So normally they on unit in microfarad. Yeah, micro is 1 times 10 power minus 6. And also maybe in nanofarad. Nanofarad is 1 times 10 power minus 9. Or pico. Picofarad is 1 times 10 power minus 12. Yeah, actually we use normally we use in micro, nano, or pico. Yeah, because the charge 1 farad actually this is so big. Yeah. Okay. Q is the magnitude of charge stored in either plate, not on both plates added together. Since one plate stores positive charge and other stores negative charge, total charge on the plate is 0. Yes. Okay. Example. Yeah. Example. Suppose that 5 battery connected in the circuit 5 picofarad. Yeah. Picofarad. Remember, picofarad is 1 times 10 power minus 12. Yeah. After the battery has been connected into a long time, what is the charge stored each of the plates? Yeah. Okay. In the beginning, remember, a voltage has been applied a long time. The capacitor fully charged. Yeah. The relation between voltage and the maximum charge of the capacitor found the equation CV equal to Q. Yeah. Karena C equals to Q over V. Yeah. So it's mean inserting given volume C is 5 farad is C. Voltage is 5 volt. We find with 5 picofarad. Ya, kok 5 farad ya? Ini this is wrong ya. 5 picofarad ya. And then this is 5 volt. So Q equals to CV, CV ya. C is 5 10 power minus 12 and V is 5. So we have 2.5 10 power minus 11 column. Yeah. Okay, this is charge ya. 2.5 10 power minus 11 column. Yeah, that's it. So after you know about about capacitor, about capacitance, yeah. Now about dielectric, yeah. Dielectric same thing with capacitor. D is 2, yeah. D is 2. Electric is electric plates, yeah. So this capacitance, yeah, when they have medium between two plates, it's something material. So we have other formula of capacitance is like this one, yeah. C equals to EO, yeah. EO is permittivity of something, yeah. In this case is air, yeah. In this case is air. Times A over D. A is area, cross-sectional area, and D is distance between two plates. I find first about apa namanya gambar dulu ya mana ya. Oke, Bapak balik lagi ke sini deh. We back into picture of two plates ya. This is actually dielectric ya. On the up position is positive charge and on the bottom position is negative charge. This is the electric, yeah. D is 2, yeah. Electric is like electrical plate. So the capacitance of this dielectric or the capacitance of this capacitor, yeah. Dielectric same thing with capacitor, yeah. Equals to permittivity on this medium, yeah, times A, yeah, because plate they have same area cross section area, yeah. The plate they have area, yeah. And D is distance between the splits, yeah. How much centimeter is, yeah. Usually in millimeter or centimeter, yeah. But we need to change into meter, yeah. So this is actually 2D electric. This is dielectric or two plates. Yeah, two plates mean also same thing with capacitor. Okay, I back again into dielectric. Sorry, uh, dielectric is in here. Okay, this one, yeah. We back this is. This is C, yeah, equals to capacitance, yeah. EO, yeah, this is actually not E, yeah, epsilon zero. Epsilon zero is permittivity of medium. In this case, medium is air, yeah. And then A is area of plates. Jadi plate ini kan dia they have area, ya. They like rectangle, yeah. They have area, yeah. And then between two plates they have same in area, and then D, yeah, is separate between two plates, yeah. Distance, yeah, between two plates, yeah. So C equals to epsilon zero, yeah, or EO, yeah, times A over D. Okay. We will say an example, yeah. What capacitance? What is the capacitance of capacitor in which the electric in the air, yeah, the area plates is 0.001 meter cubic, a meter square, and the distance between two plates is 0.02 meter. Answer, step one determine the, okay lah, ini saya kira bebas aja ya. You can not use this step. Actually, we already know about A, yeah, and then D, A and D. And epsilon zero or EO or permittivity is constant number. The constant number already provided by question actually, ya. This is around 8.9 times power minus 12. Ini power ya, not minus 12, not 10, but 10 power minus 12. And then area is 0.01 and D is 0.02. So after we calculate this, yeah, this is capacitance is 4.45 10 power minus 13 farad. Yeah. You know, if we change not in 10 power, yeah, let's say this is something with kalau Bapak ganti, yeah, this is like something to 0.445, yeah, times 10 power minus 12 farad. And you remember that 10 power minus 12 is picofarad. Yeah. So this is like something with 0.445, yeah, picofarad. Yeah. This one. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah. Now, electric field on the capacitor. Yeah, no. The electric field strength between plates on the capacitor can be calculated using formula E equals to V over D. We have one formula again, yeah. E V over D. Yeah. Where E electric field, Joule Coulomb minus 1, V is potential difference in volt, D is distance between two plates, yeah, in meter. Okay, we have an example question. Yeah, what is the strength of the electric field in the capacitor which has potential difference, yeah, voltage 300 volt between its plates that are 0.02 meter apart. This is D, yeah, this is V. So we have V and D. So it means only we divided between 300 to 0.02 meter. Okay, so E equals to V over D. V is 300 and D is 0.02. Yeah, same thing with 1.5 or 10 power 4. Yeah, 10 power 4. Yeah. This one. Okay, like this one. Yeah. Okay, this is electric field. Yeah. So today we already know or we already learned about the theoretical or some of question solving about capacitance, about dielectric, and about electric field in a capacitor. Yeah. Okay. Now see. Oh, this is continue to. Oh no no no. Continue to question. Yeah. We try to solve some question here. We still have any minute, a couple minutes. 52 around 8 minutes. Yeah. Okay. I will solve this. Yeah. Number one, determine the capacitance of capacitor which stores 9 times 10 power minus 9 coulomb when a potential difference is 12 is applied to it. Yeah. Okay. Capacitance C equals to E over V. Yeah. So it means 9 9 times 10 power minus 9, ya, divided by 12 volt. 9/12. Wait ya, I take the calculator first. Nine divided by 12 equals to 0.75. Yeah, 0.75. Or let's say 7.5 times 10 power minus 10. Yeah. This is in farad. Yeah. The unit of capacitance is farad. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Continue number 2. What charge will stored on 5 micro, this is microfarad, yeah, capacitor if a potential difference 6 volt is maintained between its plate. Yeah. What charge? Q. Yeah. Q means, yeah, C times V. We have C is 5 microfarad. Yeah, microfarad is minus 6. Yeah, sorry, minus 6. 5 times 10 power minus 6. Yeah, times again with velocity. Volt is 6. So this is something with 30. Yeah. Times 10 power minus 6. Yeah. This is in coulomb. Column. Okay, I will change into other apa namanya, other ordo ya, because this is 10 power minus 6. This is equal in micro ya. This is equal in micro. This is so something with 30 microfarad ya. Microfarad. Microfarad. Yeah, that's it. I hope you understand, yeah, because this is so easy actually. It's easy, yeah, easy, so easy. Okay, we have around two again, yeah. Number three, what is the capacitance of capacitor that used in the air dielectric has area 0.04 and distance 0.03. Okay, we have about C equals to EO. Yeah, C, yeah, equals to emitivitas ya, permittivity. E, aduh, so this is difficult ya. Let's say we continue. I directly use this number 8.9 times power minus 12. Yeah, this is permittivity, and then times with A is 0.004 and D is 0.03. Okay, I calculate 8,9 8.9 times divided by 0.03. 1.18. Yeah, let's say this is 1.2. Yeah, 1.2. 1.2 times 10 power minus 12. Yeah, this is in farad. Yeah, or we can change C in other apa namanya, stage, other topic ya, sorry, other ordo. This is something with 1.2 in picofarad ya, because 10 power minus 12 is picofarad ya. Okay, one more number ya. What is the strength of electric field between the plates of charge capacitor? Plates are 2 millimeter apart, have potential difference 200 volt. Yeah. Okay, strength of electric field, or we apa namanya? The symbol is A capital ya. A equals to V over D. Yeah. V we have 200 volt and D, okay, this is 2 millimeter ya. 2 millimeter something with 2 times 10 power minus 3 ya, because in millimeter ya. Okay, 200 divided by 2, 100 100 ya. Jadi this is something with 10 power ya, or 1 times 10 power 5 volt over meter. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I hope you understand about this explanation. If you have any question, please ask me. Yeah. Okay.